I got this microphone for 16,000 naira. In case you care about the price, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. It comes in this type of pouch. It looks like something that will not get spoiled easily. The pouch is leather and it comes with these ropes that I can use to tie the leather bag. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo. If you are seeing me for the first time, please don't make it your last. Click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to get notified anytime I post. So today I'm sharing with you guys my new microphone. So I shared one video about me unboxing a microphone with you guys, and you guys have been asking a lot of questions, and some of you said it was helpful, and I'm happy. That is why I want to share this one with you guys as well. So this microphone actually only works for iPhones, and what I really like about this microphone, I've actually checked it before. I just want to unbox it for you guys because I know that you guys like this type of videos, right? So okay, we're just going to go straight into unboxing. So I will tell you guys what I really like about it and what I don't like. And this, guys, this microphone is the truth. I actually got it from an offline store. They actually have their page online as well, so I'm going to link the page in the description. I don't know if they deliver worldwide. I think they should, but if they don't, I'm also going to look for this product on Amazon, and I'm going to link it in the description box. So this is what it looks like. It is called the Record LAV lavalier microphone for smartphones, iPad and iPod Touch. So it comes primarily with this iPhone lighting ports, and on the back it says omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality mic, is ideal for video use, low handling noise, easy to use, includes lapel mic, foam windscreen and pouch. The specification is transducer, electric condenser, polar pattern is omnidirectional. You people that ask a lot of questions, I don't know. That's why I'm reading this one so that people can understand. Signal noise is less than or equal to 58 dB. Sensitivity is -34 plus or minus 2 dB. Guys, I don't know what these things say. Then connector is lightning plug. Then the cable length is 3 meters. It's actually not a wireless microphone, it has wire. Then the weight of the microphone is 25 grams. So with that being said, I feel like this should answer most of your questions. So I actually unboxed it at the place I got it because I wanted to be sure it was working and I was working well, because I don't want to go and waste my money. I got this microphone for 16,000 naira. So in case you care about the price, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So it comes in this type of pouch. Really, you know, it looks like something that will not get spoiled easily. The pouch is leather and it comes with this, I don't know what it's called, these ropes that I can use to tie the leather bag. Okay, before I unbox the microphone, let's look at the manual. Okay, so it comes with this manual, and this is what the manual looks like. On it, it says, using your microphone, snap the lapel mic onto the base of the microphone, slide the foam windscreen, just basically telling us how to, you know, how to set up a microphone. The mine was already set up by the time it came. Then slide the foam windscreen over the microphone, plug the type C or lighting plug onto your recording device. Okay, so that means that this can actually work for a type C. So if you want a type C microphone, you can actually get the other variation. That's what it means, that they actually have two variations, but this one that I got is specifically for an iPhone. Clip the microphone to the front of your clothing with the clothing clip about 6 inches away from your face. Turn on your recording device and record the short audio segment to make sure that the microphone is working properly. Use your recording device to record the audio that you need. So for the troubleshooting, they are saying if there is too much noise that is being picked up, you should make sure that your microphone is as close as possible to the sound source. Okay, this is actually important. So you should not be filming with your microphone and your microphone should be here and then you're here. This may be the possible reason why noise is being picked up, so you might want to pay attention to that when you get yours. Then also they are saying make sure that you have attached the foam windscreen. We should not use our microphone alone like that. We should ensure that we always attach the foam when we're using our microphone. Also, they are telling us to attach the microphone upside down to reduce excessive breath noises and tonal inconsistencies from head movements. Attach the microphone upside down. Okay, Microphone, so they are saying when the microphone is not recording audio, that we should make sure that the Type-C or Lightning plug is connected to our recording devices input jack. We should ensure that it is connected to our phone. That's what it means. Then we should make sure that the Type-C or Lightning plug is fully inserted. So that means that you should not insert it halfway. Make sure that it is fully inserted into your phone. Make sure that your device is recording case. Move microphone closer to the sound source. So like they said earlier, that we should always ensure that your microphone is actually close to your mouth, about 6 inches away. So they have the specifications. Your microphone can actually come in as Lightning for iPhone, or it can also come in as Type-C for other Samsung phones and other phones. So the features of this microphone is that it has clip-on microphone that allows professional quality recording with your phone, 6 feet cable route discreetly for maximum versatility, pro grade microphone optimized for recording voices. The sound is actually mad, you guys. The sound is lit. So for the compatibility, they are saying that it is designed for mobile devices and tablets. The compatibility with other devices is not guaranteed. And also they are advising us that before we start using our microphone, we should ensure to read our manual. Okay, now that we've read our manual, I'm going to set this aside and we're going to go straight into actually unboxing our microphone. So like I said, this is how it comes, and inside here is our microphone. Oh, this is an extra foam and this lapel thing for holding our mic, and one actually comes with it originally, which makes it actually very nice. So if this one is spoiled, then we can actually replace it here. So we have an extra, can you see that? We have an extra foam and the lapel mic holder, which is really nice, and we have another one here as well. So another thing I like about this thing is that it is just wires. There's nothing like any maybe battery that you need to change or anything like that. It is just this lapel mic and this thing that connects to your phone like this. So you literally just connect this to your phone and you're good. This is like the best microphone that I've ever gotten. I actually wanted to get the one that I was using before. That's the, I think, the lavalier mic, but the price difference was not that much. I think when I bought that one at the time I got it for 12,000, and now they are saying the mic has increased to 6.5, and then the jack is now 8K, and I'm like, that's like 14K. Why don't I just get this one? So this is like the best investment I made. I really like it. So I'm going to connect it now to my phone, and you guys are going to hear the sound difference. So guys, microphone is connected to my phone. You can see how crisp the sound quality is. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert this on my dress, and we are going to see it as well. So guys, this is what my sound is. This is what it sounds like when I'm using my microphone. I absolutely love this microphone, and I 100% recommend it. Like I said earlier, I'm going to link the page where I got it from. I'm going to link it in the description, and I'm also going to look for it on Amazon in case you're not in Nigeria, so that I can get it. I really hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Also, if you want to see the wireless microphone review that I did, I'm going to put it in the description so that you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.